Creating a high ticket coaching program is a topic idea that I came up with because I have two clients that I'm working with right now specifically that are interested in building out their digital programs. And so, what they are working through right now are the very beginning stages of how you create something. And I encourage you all, if you're going to create something, create a high ticket program. Now, by high ticket program, I'm talking about something that is $3,000 or higher. We've all seen these programs on the market. They're 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, and those programs are no joke, okay? And the reason why those programs are high ticket programs are because they do a couple of important things. Typically, they're a digital course of some sort where you're logging in and actually getting the videos from the teacher or coach. You're getting some sort of access to coaching, whether it's group coaching once a month, once a week, or some of the programs you're actually getting one on one coaching with the creator, and there is an end result that is promised to you. And so I want to talk to you about some of the steps that you want to take at the beginning of designing your program so that it's a high ticket program. And we're not going to talk about how to price your program or anything like that. This video is just kind of some just basic information for you as you're building this out. Of course, we can go in detail inside the Power Your Research program with the clients I work with. We do. But here's some helpful things. First of all, you need to be able to state your value proposition in one sentence. So someone sees the tagline of your program, they need to clearly understand the value that you're bringing, but more importantly, the transformation that they will receive in coming through your program. So, Power Your Research searches one line. Unique selling proposition is a 9 step system for tenured professors to increase their visibility, authority, and income without the expense of a publicist. Now, to get there, to get a statement like that, there is a formula that you are going to use. I can't go over the formula in, a live free video that's designed to only be like 5 minutes, but you can kind of pick up on some of the key framework just from the statement that I just read. So go ahead and write it down and then work your way backwards for the program you are trying to create. Now, none of this stuff is easy. I've worked with creative coaches and business coaches to get here. So while you probably can get a great first stab at it, you're going to need some feedback. You need feedback for this stuff. So start with being able to state in one sentence what your transformation is that you are offering people, and that last part of the sentence, without the expense of a publicist, that's a key piece because people don't want to spend more money, they don't want to spend more time. There's certain, you want to show what negative thing you're decreasing for your prospect. Now, the other thing is, I just sent one of my clients a design worksheet that is going to get her to break down the different phases and steps of her program because people want to know the process. I can tell you that Power Your Research is a 9 step system that you'll finish in 90 days. People need to hear those triggers. How long is it going to take? How much is it going to take? How much work do I need to do? That's what people want to know. And so if you can promise them a result in a specific period of time, in a specific number of steps, then you're showing your prospect the process. Of course, there's a lot of other things involved, but let me share one more thing with you. So as you're building out the phases of your program, you're writing them down. Think about phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So break your program down into 3 phases, and those 3 phases are going to have like kind of umbrella topics. So for example, phase 1 of Power Your Research is about clarity, right? Phase 2 of Power Your Research is about media coverage and visibility and engaging. So phase 1 would be clarity, phase 2 would be engage, phase 3 would be monetize. Let's say those are your 3 phases. Now you write those down, and within each phase, you're going to build out the steps involved to get people that result in that particular phase. So if phase one is clarity, well, what I need to do for my clients is get them a vision statement, get them a mission statement, get them their brand assets, start out with the mindset work, right? Creating mechanisms to help them with their mindset. So that's going to look like a Power Your Research community. And so once you break out those things, you have a program that you can then articulate to a prospect, a specific type of person. In my case, we're targeting tenured professors, although Power Your Research, half of the people in Power Your Research are not tenured professors, but you want to niche down and be specific so you can talk to a specific type of person, so you can understand the psychographics of a specific type of person, so that you're creating content that's personalized for a specific type of avatar. So, save this video, come back and watch it as you're building out your program. Maybe you already built out a digital course that's not performing well because people don't know what the transformation is if they're going to be spending money on you. And again, I suggest a high ticket program. And your program is high ticket when you can promise a transformation, when you can articulate that transformation, and when people have a coaching component to work with you or your coaches either on a monthly basis or on a one-on-one basis. So if this helps, let me know in the comments. If you have questions, feel free to DM me or drop a comment below. I'll circle back and answer it. You can always jump on a free 30-minute call with me to talk about your goals. And feel free to jump in the 5-day challenge that we have going on right now. All right. I hope you have an amazing day.